Okay, if you want to change your Facebook page URL, for example, you have I'm here in my page right now, and it is professionaltutorial.com, and I have professional tutorial in my URL. For example, if someone going to click like facebook.com and facebook.com slash like my page, and that should be page slash what should be like professional tutorials, and then they will straightly move to my page. Like you can see right now, it is the short form of the URL, which is very effective for the people who want their page should be in the brand. Now what you are going to do, how to change that URL? Maybe you have a number when you are going to create, but when you are going to come in your page, most of the people make mistake like they are coming in the edit page info. It is not here. When you are going to come here, and then you will find that professionaltutorial.com, your page name, and here are some buttons or tabs, and here you have like about. When you are going to click about, you will get that about page. Okay, and we have different information in journal here, but once you get like username, that is the page URL which you are going to change. You have to click edit, and for edit you are going to like write whatsoever you want here. But remember that when you are going to write a name here, it should be not exist before. For example, if I'm going to change that to professional tutorial, you will get an error. This username isn't available. Please enter a username that isn't already taken. Then you can change, for example, 1, and you can see that it is already taken. And when I'm going to click enter 2, and it is professional tutorials 12, then I can create a username here. And once you are going to create one username, then your page will directly creates, and you can enter like you have here. Okay, facebook.com/professional tutorials, and that is quite easy, and the way straight where we are going to just change our URL for our business page, or maybe for your any Facebook page. Hope you got the idea that how you are going to change. If you like that video, thumbs up and share with more amazing friends. And also if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe that one, and you will get more informative videos in future. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.